Imagine the thrill of standing beneath a cascading waterfall, cool mist on your skin, and the rush of water crashing around you. But what if you could take it one step further, diving into a crystal-clear pool at the base of nature's masterpiece? From hidden tropical paradises to iconic falls you've only dreamed of, these are more than just sights. They're experiences waiting to happen. Join us on this breathtaking journey as we explore 7 stunning waterfalls you can actually swim in. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Kuang Falls, Laos. Tucked away in the lush jungle of Laos, Kuang Falls is like stepping into a fairy tale. As the water tumbles down limestone rocks, it creates a series of breathtaking turquoise pools. These aren't just for admiring, they're made for diving into. The refreshing waters feel like a dream on a hot day, and the surrounding greenery makes you feel completely at peace. Kuang isn't just about swimming, it's an adventure. Take a short hike to the top of the falls for a panoramic view of the cascading waters and surrounding jungle. Along the way, you'll encounter playful butterflies, and maybe even hear the calls of exotic birds. Every corner of this natural wonder is picture perfect, so make sure to bring a camera to capture its vibrant blues and greens. What makes Kuang even more special is its community connection. Nearby, there's a sanctuary for rescued bears. A visit to this heartwarming center lets you combine adventure with giving back to local wildlife conservation efforts. And if you're feeling hungry after your swim, local vendors sell delicious Laotian snacks right near the falls. Whether you're looking to cool off, snap some jaw-dropping photos, or just soak in the beauty of nature, Kuang Falls has it all. With its crystal-clear pools and lush surroundings, it's easy to see why this place tops so many travel bucket lists. Havasu Falls, USA, the desert oasis. In the heart of the Grand Canyon lies a waterfall so stunning it feels like a mirage. Havasu Falls, with its vibrant blue-green waters contrasting against red desert rocks, is nature's definition of paradise. This hidden gem belongs to the Havasu tribe, and getting there requires a challenging hike, but the reward, absolutely worth every step. The pool at the base of Havasu Falls is pure magic. Surrounded by towering cliffs and lush vegetation, it's the perfect place to relax after your trek. The warm sun and cool waters are a combination that soothes your soul. Plus, the area is dotted with spots for cliff jumping if you're feeling adventurous. Camping near Havasu Falls adds a whole new layer of experience. Imagine falling asleep to the sound of the cascading water under a sky blanketed with stars. It's a moment you'll cherish forever, disconnected from the modern world and immersed in nature's wonders. This spot isn't just a swimming destination, it's a sacred place that teaches respect for the land and its original stewards. By visiting responsibly, you can help preserve the pristine beauty of Havasu Falls for generations to come. Cenote, Mexico, a subterranean wonder. Just minutes away from the ancient ruins of Chichen Itza, Cenote offers a completely unique swimming experience. Unlike most waterfalls, this natural sinkhole has water cascading down its sides into a deep, cool pool below. Swimming here feels like you've entered another world entirely. The cenote is surrounded by lush greenery, with vines hanging down dramatically into the water. The sunlight streaming through the open ceiling creates an almost magical glow. The water is cool and refreshing, making it the perfect escape from Mexico's heat. Visitors can jump or climb down into the cenote, where the calm waters invite you to float and relax. The echoes of splashing water and the occasional bird call add to the serene atmosphere. Whether you're swimming or simply sitting on the edge soaking it all in, is a place where time seems to stand still. For an extra dose of wonder, pair your visit with a trip to the nearby Mayan ruins. Together, they offer a perfect blend of history, adventure, and natural beauty. Isn't just a place to swim, it's an experience that immerses you in the magic of Mexico. Semuc, Champey, Guatemala, a hidden gem. In the heart of Guatemala lies Semuc Champey, a series of stunning turquoise pools that form naturally atop a limestone bridge. Below the surface, the Cajaban River flows fiercely, but on top the pools remain calm and inviting, creating a stark yet beautiful contrast. Surrounded by lush jungle, Semuc Champey feels like a secret paradise waiting to be discovered. Swimming in these pools is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The water is refreshingly cool and each pool is connected by gentle waterfalls, making it easy to explore them one by one. Some pools are shallow and perfect for wading, while others are deep enough for diving or simply floating, and letting the serenity wash over you. The hike to the Mirador viewpoint is a must for those seeking a bird's-eye view of this natural wonder. The trail is steep but rewarding, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the pools and the surrounding jungle. It's a reminder of just how incredible and untouched this part of the world truly is. Semuc Champey is a bit off the beaten path, but that's part of its charm. The journey to get there adds to the sense of adventure, and once you arrive, you'll be rewarded with one of the most beautiful swimming spots on the planet. If you're looking for a hidden gem that combines natural beauty with a sense of wonder, this is the place for you. Erawan Falls, Thailand, a multi-tiered marvel. Erawan Falls in Thailand is a 7-tiered waterfall that feels like something out of a fairy tale. Located in Erawan National Park, this stunning natural wonder is named after the 3-headed white elephant from Hindu mythology, and its beauty truly lives up to the legend. Each tier of the waterfall offers unique swimming opportunities, making it a perfect spot for both relaxation and exploration. The water here is crystal clear, and takes on a brilliant emerald hue as it flows over the limestone rocks. Some tiers feature natural rock slides, while others have deep pools ideal for swimming. The higher you go, the more secluded the falls become, so adventurous visitors are rewarded with quieter spots away from the crowds. The surrounding jungle adds to the magic of Erawan Falls. As you make your way up the trail, you'll pass through lush greenery, hear the calls of exotic birds, and even spot monkeys swinging through the trees. The combination of the waterfalls and the vibrant wildlife creates a truly immersive experience. Erawan Falls is a must-see for anyone visiting Thailand. Whether you're a swimmer, a hiker, or simply a nature lover, this waterfall offers something for everyone. Spend a day exploring the tiers, cooling off in the pools, and soaking in the beauty of one of Thailand's most iconic natural wonders. Tappiyah Falls, Philippines, a cultural escape. Tappiyah Falls, located in the Batad rice terraces of the Philippines, offers a unique combination of natural beauty and cultural significance. To reach this 70-meter waterfall, you'll trek through the UNESCO-listed rice terraces, which are a marvel in their own right. The journey itself is an unforgettable experience, blending breathtaking landscapes with a glimpse into local traditions. The waterfall cascades into a deep, inviting pool surrounded by towering cliffs and lush vegetation. The water is cool and invigorating, making it the perfect reward after a challenging hike. The roar of the falls creates a soothing soundtrack as you swim or relax on the rocky shores, taking in the awe-inspiring scenery. What sets Tappiyah Falls apart is its connection to the local culture. The Batad community takes great pride in preserving their heritage, and visiting the falls is an opportunity to learn about their way of life. Many travelers choose to stay in homestays where they can enjoy traditional meals and hear stories about the region's history. Tappiyah Falls is more than just a swimming destination. It's a journey that combines adventure, culture, and natural beauty. If you're looking for an experience that touches both your heart and soul, this hidden gem in the Philippines is not to be missed. Blue Hole Mineral Spring, Jamaica, a unique retreat. Blue Hole Mineral Spring in Jamaica is a swimming spot unlike any other. This natural spring is nestled inside a limestone cavern, creating a magical setting that feels both secluded and adventurous. The spring's mineral-rich waters are said to have healing properties, making it a popular destination for those looking to relax and rejuvenate. The spring is about 25 feet below the surface, and adventurous visitors can jump into the crystal-clear water from above. Don't worry, there's also a ladder for those who prefer a more leisurely entry. Once you're in, the water's cool temperature and silky texture make it an incredibly soothing experience. Above ground, you'll find a bar and lounging areas where you can enjoy Jamaican hospitality and take in the surrounding views. Whether you're sipping on a fresh coconut or lounging in the sun, the Blue Hole Mineral Spring offers a perfect balance of excitement and relaxation. This spot is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Jamaica. It's a chance to swim in a one-of-a-kind setting, experience local culture, and leave feeling refreshed and renewed. From the adventurous leap into the spring to the laid-back vibes above, the Blue Hole Mineral Spring is a destination that truly has it all. And there you have it, 10 breathtaking waterfalls where you can swim and experience nature like never before. From tranquil turquoise pools to thrilling cascades, these natural wonders remind us of the beauty and power of the world around us. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Explore Edge. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.